Good morning students, welcome in the virtual class of social science. In this e-lecture we will discuss about topic directions. Yesterday I told you about cardinal directions. There are four cardinal directions: north, east, west, south. And yesterday we were discussing about children standing in assembly in school ground. Okay, they were facing stage. Now let us go back to Aarti's school and find out the correct direction of Aarti and her friends as they stand in the school assembly. You know that the sun rises in the east. Yesterday I told you before this lecture I told you that sun rises in the east in the morning, sun sets in the west in the evening. So Aarti is facing the sun, hence she is facing east direction. Sun always sets in the west. West direction is opposite to east. Rahul is standing behind Aarti. He is to the west of Aarti. So Renu is standing to the left of Aarti. So she is standing in the north and Navita is standing to the south of Aarti. North direction is opposite to south. Remember, north and south are opposite directions. East and west, these are opposite directions. Okay. Why do we need to understand directions? Directions tell us how to reach a place without getting lost on the way. That's why we should know directions. It also tells us the exact location of different places, building, objects, and even your classroom in the school building. It is important for all of us to have the knowledge of directions. If you do not know the direction of your school, you can go in the wrong direction, isn't it? Your father or mother will get lost on the way to their place of work. The pilot may not know where to land an aeroplane. Ships will be lost in the ocean. You may not know where the ice cream vendor is standing. There will be confusion everywhere if we will not know the directions. So, in olden times, when there were less means of transportation, so people used to go from one place to another place by ship. So, in olden times, the sailors at sea followed the movement of the sun, and like this, they find directions. They used to find directions. Okay, they followed movement of the sun because we all of us we know that sun rises in the east direction in the morning and sets in the west in the evening. So, movement of the sun, by the movement of the sun we can find directions. And at night the stars, we can follow stars for directions. The North Star stayed at a fixed position all night, allowing sailors to follow it. The other stars can change their positions, but North Star, it is fixed, and this its position is fixed all night. Okay, so sailors used to take help of North Star. Okay, so imagine their condition when the fog or clouds hide the sky. Now of course they can use a compass. We have compass now, but when there was no compass to tell us about directions, so people used uh, to follow movement of the sun during daytime and the north star at night time. And nowadays you have navigation in your cars, in your mobile phones, navigators, okay, and Google Map. So through that you can find directions, location of a place. It makes so easy nowadays, right? So this is all about directions, and stay safe, stay healthy.